This one manufacturing idea can completely change your financial future. While most people are still chasing saturated businesses, a silent revolution is happening in packaging. Governments are banning plastic, global brands are under pressure to go green, and the beverage industry is actively searching for alternatives. Right now, paper bottles are not just an eco-friendly concept. They are a multi-million-dollar business opportunity waiting for manufacturers. If you are serious about building long-term wealth, entering a future-proof industry, and positioning yourself ahead of the curve, this is one business you cannot afford to ignore. Market demand, growth, and forecast. Let us look at the numbers. Because serious businesses are built on data, not hype. The global sustainable packaging market is already valued at over $300 billion, growing at 8.78% CAGR. Within this, fiber-based and paper packaging for beverages is among the fastest growing segments. Beverage companies, covering water, juices, dairy drinks, energy drinks, and alcohol, are under immense pressure to replace plastic bottles. In India alone, the packaged beverage market is expected to cross $65 to $70 billion in the coming years, driven by urbanization, lifestyle changes, and rising consumption. Even if a small percentage of this shifts from plastic to paper bottles, it opens a massive manufacturing opportunity. The demand is real, the transition is inevitable, and the growth curve is strongly upward. Major existing players. When big brands enter a space, it validates the business. Globally, innovators like paper bottle technology developers and fiber-based packaging companies are partnering with beverage giants for pilot launches. Several multinational beverage brands have already tested paper bottles for water, spirits, and soft drinks. In India, large packaging converters are exploring mold fiber and paper-based rigid packaging, but commercial-scale paper bottle manufacturing is still at a very early stage. This gap is the opportunity. The market is proven, but competition is limited. Early manufacturers will enjoy brand partnerships, long-term supply contracts, and strong pricing power. Why choose this industry? Paper bottle manufacturing sits at the intersection of sustainability, branding, and profitability. Compared to plastic, competition is significantly lower. ESG and sustainability are no longer buzzwords. They are boardroom priorities for global companies. Export potential is strong, especially to Europe and developed markets where plastic restrictions are stricter. Paper bottles also offer premium branding value, allowing manufacturers to command better margins. Most importantly, this is not a seasonal or short-term trend. Sustainability-driven packaging is a structural shift that will define the next 20 to 30 years. Strong reasons to start this business now. Timing is everything in manufacturing, and the timing for paper bottles is exceptional. Plastic bans and regulatory pressure are increasing every year. The beverage sector continues to grow regardless of economic cycles. FMCG companies are actively searching for compliant packaging partners. Paper bottles allow premium pricing because brands are willing to pay more for sustainable packaging. India offers a first-mover advantage. Very few dedicated manufacturers exist today. The business is also scalable. You can start with a modest capacity and expand as demand grows without changing the core technology. Government support and incentives. From a policy perspective, the environment is supportive. Single-use plastic restrictions across states are pushing industries toward alternatives. MSME schemes, Startup India benefits, and easier access to institutional finance support new manufacturing units. Export-oriented units can benefit from export incentives and duty benefits. Many state governments also offer capital subsidies, power tariff concessions, and land-related incentives for green and sustainable industries. While incentives should never be the only reason to start a business, in this case they clearly strengthen project viability. How NPCS can help you start this business? Starting a manufacturing unit requires more than an idea. It needs execution clarity. Near Project Consultancy Services plays a critical role here. NPCS supports entrepreneurs with bankable detailed project reports, in-depth market research, technology and process selection, machinery sourcing guidance, and realistic financial projections. Whether you are approaching banks, investors, or strategic partners, NPCS helps you present a professionally structured, financially viable project. For first-time entrepreneurs, this guidance significantly reduces risk and accelerates decision-making. If you are looking for a manufacturing business that aligns profit with purpose, paper bottle production is one of the strongest opportunities of this decade. It offers wealth creation, future security, and relevance in a world that is moving away from plastic. The biggest regret in business is not failure. It is missing the right opportunity at the right time. The demand is forming, the regulations are pushing, and the market is ready. The only question is whether you will act now or watch others build this business ahead of you.